For this first edition of Milan Fashion Digital Week, Valextra has partnered with Ratti, the master of silk, to create the Sailing Through Times installation, presented in Via Manzoni flagship store, designed by Gio Ponti. Ratti and Valextra share many things in common. We were both founded in the 30s and 40s between the two world wars in Lombardia by stubborn and visionary entrepreneurs who rooted their companies in creativity, innovation, quality and craftsmanship excellence, which led us to remain on top of our game for so many decades and respected by the industry as the best in class. A master of product. No logo will lead you to Valextra. Rather, you will recognize it from its unmistakable style and consistent in quality and its craftsmanship excellence. Rigorous, graphic, design, understated and pure. The consistency in beauty is achieved by engineering the production processes and infusing the magic touch of skillful and proud artisans. It is no fruit of fortuity. Coherency is the result of unconditional obsession on quality. In the materials, coloring, finishes, in its metallic parts, small and precious as jewelry, still purposely functional. It is the transformative ability of many dedicated entrepreneurs and artisans to strive for the impossible, yet making it look effortless. It is the secret of Made in Italy. It is the synthesis of the beauty that surrounds us and the passion of the people. Adaptability of the process and consistency of the product. Valextra was founded in 1937 in Milan. Across the decades, Valextra has remained uncompromised and uncompromising. Valextra is timeless. Every piece is a classic, and in a time of eternal rotating fads, disposability and waste, nothing feels more necessary than the steadfast dedication to the everlasting. Committed to creativity, innovation and excellence in quality and craftsmanship, Valextra is honest and simply truthful. Valextra is filling the void for non-flashy people. Is the classic that is never boring. Pieces that you can wear forever, that feel chic without any effort. Simple yet strong, sober and sophisticated, practical and original, of the moment and yet ageless. In our installation, we combine 10 colorful graphic sails, selected among the unique patterns from the 60s, 70s and 80s found in the rich archives of Ratti, with more than 500 different iconic Iside bags, as symbol of sailing boats in the sea. Friendly sails helping Valextra navigate in all waters. colorfully blowing in the sky to take us to new, exciting adventures. Ratti is the magician who has transformed, year after year, silk threads into the best scarves, ties, and fabrics, used by the most famous designer of the world in the last century. We've always put the product in the first place, together with our people. Unique and exclusive as the woman who carries our bag. Valextra bags are selectively produced to avoid overabundance and ubiquity. The center remains the person wearing it. Women and men, young and old, who want designs that suit wherever they happen to be in life. Anchored in real people, there is no fluff or glamour, as pure as it gets. All there is left is an attitude of just being yourself. Confident and unique as the Valextra bags that they carry. Sailing through times, good and difficult ones, together.
Valextra makes very beautiful, particular objects that you have forever.
Valextra to me is so obviously the design, beautiful design.
I see Valextra as a unique thing in any event.
What I really love about Valextra is this one, that you are not producing a range of different kind of product. I mean, you are specialized in that.
I think Valextra has always been known to be a brand that does quality products.
Valextra, anche se è oggetto distribuito in tutto il mondo, resta comunque un brand con una forte identità milanese.
Try to buy something that is useful, something that is durable, something that has a real value.
I was really interested in working with your brand because you'd done these lovely collaborations before, like with Martino, and I was trying to find the right way for me to have a conversation with Valextra, but not to disrupt some of the identity too much of the brand, or find, a good balance maybe between my more crazy and then the very beautiful, clean, graphical and very architectural almost shapes in the bags. So I really took this line, the black edging that's on most of the Valextra projects.
I mean, for me, Valextra is, I repeated it a lot, but it's authenticity, and it's an authentic, timeless quality brand.
Abbiamo collaborato con Valextra perché non volevamo farlo con nessun altro.
Perché è talmente milanese, è talmente minimale, è perfetto.